In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your MiFi password if you have forgotten it. I'm going to show you 3 steps on how to reset it. The first tip is to open the back of your MiFi. You're going to see the default password. They call it Wi-Fi key. So you can use the default password if you haven't changed your password before. But if you have changed your password, I'm going to show you another step on how to reset your password. The second tip is to look for the reset button. You might need to remove your battery in your own portable MiFi and look for where it says reset. This is available in almost all portable MiFi. So what you have to do now is to grab a pin or a needle and click on it. Do this while it is turned on. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds and the MiFi will restore itself to factory settings. And the last tip, which is very convenient for people who don't have the reset button, you have to look for a micro USB cable that supports data transfer. This will help you to log into the user interface of the portable MiFi without the Wi-Fi password. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Now plug in the micro USB in your portable MiFi. Turn it on and plug the USB in your computer. You have to wait for a few seconds so that Windows will recognize it. When Windows recognize your portable MiFi, you're going to see this pop up. Click on Yes. Now the next thing to do is to go to your browser and type in this IP address 192.168.0.1. This IP address might be different with your own depending on the Wi-Fi portable MiFi you have. They always include the IP address at the back of the cover of the MiFi, so you have to check to know yours or Google it. So when you go to this website, it's going to load the user interface of the portable MiFi. The default login for my portable MiFi is admin for the username and also admin for the password. When you log in, you can now change your password. So this is how you reset the password of your portable MiFi. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.